One of the most popular add-ons when you book a Royal Caribbean cruise vacation is the Deluxe Beverage Package. Now, the beverage package can be pricey, but it could also be a fantastic value. One of the questions that consistently comes up in our Facebook group, Royal Cruise Group, is should we buy the drink package? Well, we prepared 12 tips that will help you decide if the package is right for you, and we're going to dive into all that up next. Number 1. Prepay. Pre-purchasing your beverage package online through the cruise planner is the best way to get the lowest price on the beverage package. Royal will generally offer you 30% off the beverage package and will occasionally go to 40% off on select sailings. You should book the package early, and if the price happens to drop, you can cancel and rebook at the lower price point. Now, it's important to remember the package is priced per person per day, and they will add an 18% gratuity to the total. Number 2. Royal Caribbean does require all guests over 21 years of age staying in the same stateroom to purchase the beverage package, even if only one member of your party desires to purchase the package. Now, there are exceptions to the rule where they will allow you to substitute a non-alcoholic beverage package. However, you will need to call in and speak with a Royal Caribbean representative to discuss your specific needs and options. Number 3. Will you drink enough to make it worthwhile? Now, this boils down to your individual habits when you are on vacation. It's important to remember that the package not only covers alcoholic beverages up to $13, but it also covers non-alcoholic drinks such as bottled water, freshly squeezed orange juice, specialty coffee and teas, and one of my favorites, energy drinks. With all this in mind, you could easily consume north of 8 beverages a day with a mix of the above-mentioned choices and still get your money's worth. In our past sailings, we've started the day with specialty coffee and freshly squeezed orange juice before heading to the solarium, where we would enjoy a combination of beers and premium cocktails throughout the day, along with bottled waters, and finishing the day with a glass or two of wine, a Red Bull, and then cocktails in the casino to end the night. This adds up to an average of 10 plus beverages a day, and we definitely get our money's worth. At this rate, we never felt like we were overindulging. Number 4. Call your liquor. Your beverage package includes top shelf premium brands. When ordering, instead of asking for a vodka and cran, you should specify your liquor by ordering a Grey Goose and cran instead, as this would be included in the package. There are many premium brands available, and they would be included as the package includes beverages up to $13. Number 5. Try out some new drinks. You're on vacation, and this is a great time to try out some new drinks and find your new favorite cocktail. Don't like the taste of what you ordered? Put it down and order something else. We love experimenting with new beverages almost every time we sail. Number 6. Use your package at the private stops. When deciding on whether to purchase the package, a stop at one of the private islands should be a consideration, as it greatly increases the value of the package. When you purchase the beverage package, you're also able to use it at Royal Caribbean's private destinations, Labadee and Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Number 7. Don't share. A common misconception of the beverage package is being able to share it with other guests. If you have purchased the package, it is for you and you only. You will only be served one drink per sea pass. Number 8. Don't overtip. Be careful about overtipping. When you buy the package, you're automatically charged an 18% gratuity on the package, and that covers any and all drinks ordered on your voyage. However, if you want to tip extra, just remember gratuity's already been included. Number 9. Do you have to purchase a package? No. The beverage package is a nice way to splurge, but is definitely not required. The free beverages included are tap water, milk, tea, coffee, regular and decaf, lemonade, iced tea, flavored waters, juices at breakfast and not fresh squeezed, and hot chocolate. If you're deciding to purchase the beverage package, you'll need to decide whether you will drink enough each day over the entire duration of your cruise to cover the cost of the package. Take into consideration the number of days of your sailing, how many days you'll be off the ship, excluding the private destinations, and the number of drinks you think you'll have on a daily basis. These are all very important factors when making a determination on the beverage package. Visit our site, royalcruiseblog.com, where we'll have a sample beverage cost breakdown on a typical 7-day cruise to help you decide. The bottom line is, no, it's not required, but definitely nice to have if you enjoy adult beverages, premium teas and coffee, sodas and such. Number 10. Don't overlook the non-alcoholic beverages. If you've ordered the Deluxe Beverage Package, it also includes numerous other non-alcoholic beverages on the ship, such as bottled water, fresh squeezed orange juice, lattes, espresso, Red Bull, and more. Number 11. It works at restaurants. When you sit down for dinner at a specialty restaurant or the main dining room, don't forget your package works there also. You can order anything from a glass of wine to a handcrafted cocktail, even a cappuccino with your dessert. This is something that is easily overlooked when calculating how many beverages you'll consume daily. Number 12. It's truly unlimited. Unlike other cruise lines, Royal Caribbean's beverage packages are truly unlimited. The only time you can expect to not be served is if you've had too much to drink and you're really showing it. Just remember to keep it classy. Let's break down the 3 beverage package options Royal Caribbean currently offers for 2020. Number 1, the Classic Soda Package. That's going to include a Coca-Cola souvenir cup and unlimited refills at any venue on board, as well as the private islands. You'll also get to take advantage of the Coca-Cola Freestyle fountain beverage refills. Onboard pricing is currently $12.99 to $15 per day for 2020 sailings. Next up, we have the Refreshment Package. That includes the Coca-Cola souvenir cup, unlimited soda at any onboard venue or at the private islands, and the Coca-Cola Freestyle beverage refills, non-alcoholic cocktails, bottled still and sparkling water, premium coffees and teas, fresh squeezed juices. Onboard pricing is currently $29 to $38 per day for 2020 sailings. And finally, the Deluxe Beverage Package, which includes everything the Refreshment Package offers, as well as spirits and liquor cocktails, beer, wine by the glass. You'll also get a 40% discount on bottled wines up to $100 and a 20% discount on bottled wines above $100. Onboard pricing is currently $63 to $89 per day for 2020 sailings. We hope this video has helped you when deciding whether or not to purchase the beverage package. If it has, please give us a thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing as it helps keep you in the loop with all things Royal Caribbean. Want to discuss this topic further? Come join in the conversation in our Facebook group, Royal Cruise Group. Facebook.com/groups/Royal Cruise Group. There's going to be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.